Hello students, I am your English teacher Ruchi Singh and today we will do question answers of class 5 English lesson number 8, a genie whom no one liked. So let us begin the question answers. Rearrange the following sentences and put them in correct order according to the story. Some sentences are given here and we have to arrange in proper manner in which they occur in the story. One day a lonely boy named Pankaj found the magic lamp and rubbed it. Second point is, it was clear that the genie's house had not been cleaned for years. Pankaj wished to enter the magic lamp as he wanted to see what the genie's house looked like. Whenever somebody rubbed the magic lamp, the genie would come out and say, "What is your wish?" Together, Pankaj and the genie put everything in order. Now the genie was respected. Pankaj told the genie that it was important to keep things in order. These are the sentences and we have to put them in correct order according to the story. So, which sentence will come first? What happened first? See, whenever somebody rubbed the magic lamp, the genie would come out and say, "What is your wish?" This will be your first sentence. Okay? Now, next sentence will be, one day a lonely boy named Pankaj found the magic lamp and rubbed it. This is our second sentence. Now this one, Pankaj wished to enter the magic lamp as he wanted to see what the genie's house looked like. Yes, this will be our third sentence. Now when he entered the lamp, it was clear that the genie's house had not been cleaned for years. This will be our fourth sentence. After that, what happens? Fifth point or sixth point? Now when he see everything dirty, then Pankaj told the genie that it was important to keep things in order. So it will be our fifth sentence. And in last, together Pankaj and the genie put everything in order. Now the genie was respected. So this will be our last sentence. So it is number 6. Understand it? First sentence, second sentence, third sentence, fourth, fifth and sixth sentence. Now, what happens when someone rubs a magic lamp? And the answer is, when someone rubs a magic lamp, a genie will come out and say, "What is your wish?" And he fulfills the wishes. What does the genie do? The genie fulfills the asked wishes. Why do you think Pankaj asked the genie to let him enter the lamp? And the answer is, we think that Pankaj wanted to see what the genie's problem was. So Pankaj wanted to know why genie is crying, why people don't respect him. So that's why he wanted to enter the lamp and see what is the problem there. Why did the genie feel ashamed? The genie felt ashamed because he was untidy with all his things. As we see, everything was full of dust and that was not properly arranged. What advice did Pankaj's mother give? Answer is, Pankaj's mother gave advice to keep all the things in order. Why did people begin to respect the genie again? And the answer is, people begin to respect the genie again because he began to give the asked gift in a good clean. Means now the things are clean and in proper manner. And now he gives things without disturbing or without breaking another thing. Now complete the following crossword puzzles with the help of clues given below. This is a crossword puzzle. We are giving some clues here. Across, across and down, down. So first point is given shining brightly. We have to write it across. Shining brightly means gleaming. So we will write gleaming. Now in fifth number, an animal found in the desert. What is that animal? Camel. 5 number is here. We will write CAMEL, camel. Now 6th number, a set of pages put together to be read. What does it call? It's book. 6th number, this is here. We will write BOOK, book. Now we will write downwards. First number, spirit with magic powers. It is genie. Down. We will write like this. Words start with G, genie. GENIE, genie. Second is suggestion. Suggestion means advice. A is written here. We will write ADVICE, advice. Now an object that provides light. It is at 3rd number. Here we will write, it is lamp. We will write LA, M is written here already, then P, lamp. Now foolish at number 4. It is of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters and the word is silly. So we will write SILLY, silly. The words are gleaming and genie, advice, camel, book, silly and lamp. Now you understand how to fulfill the crossword puzzle? Okay. Now fill in the blanks using appropriate words from the box. Some words are given here. We have to fill the blanks. Gleaming, apologized, rub, untidy, advice. First one is, the teacher used a duster to dash the blackboard. Which word will come? Rub. So we will write here rub. The teacher used a duster to rub the blackboard. Next is, always speak the truth is a good what? Advice. So we will write here advice. Now Sunil keeps his things in proper place. His room never looks. Which word will come? Untidy. Because he keeps his things in proper place. Mahesh does not chew gutka. He has dash white teeth. Word will be gleaming. So we will write here gleaming, G-L-E-A-M-I-N-G. Gleaming means shining brightly. Next is Neeraj dash for his rude behavior. Apologized means felt sorry. Apologized. Now read the following sentences from the lesson. Pankaj found the lamp. He heard the sad cries of the genie. These sentences are the examples of simple past tense. Why? Because we used second form here, past form here. It is used to talk about action that took place in the past. Notice that past form of verb find and hear have been used in these sentences. Second form, past form of find is found and hear is heard. Understand it? Now fill in the blanks using past forms of the verb given in the brackets. Some words are given, we have to write its past form. Nitesh dashed to Jaipur yesterday, and the word given in bracket is go, and past form of go is went. So we will write here went. Nitesh went to Jaipur yesterday. Next is Raju dashed a letter to his father, and the word is write, and the past form of write will be wrote. So we will write Raju wrote a letter to his father. Kavita dashed her homework before going to bed, and the word given is complete. Past form of complete is completed. So we will write completed. Kavita completed her homework before going to bed. Next is Manjeet dashed a beautiful paper boat. Word given here is make. Past form of make is made. We will write here made. Manjeet made a beautiful paper boat. Next is the teacher dash Poonam why she was absent the previous day. Word given here is ask. Past form of ask is asked. So we will write here asked. The teacher asked Poonam why she was absent the previous day. Now these are in past form. Now draw a picture of genie and the magic lamp on a chart paper and write a paragraph on it describing what the genie does. What you have to do? Take a chart paper and draw a picture of genie and magic lamp and write some lines about genie. How can you write? See, like this. First you have to draw the picture of genie and lamp. Then write a genie has some divine powers. It lives in a magic lamp. When the lamp is rubbed, he comes out and says, "What is your wish?" He is always ready to complete the wish. When the person asks for a gift, it is immediately granted. but only when it is neat and clean. A genie fulfilled all the wishes. Like this, you can write about genie. So what will you do? First draw picture of genie and magic lamp on a chart paper or A4 size paper, and then write about him and just draw picture very beautiful. See, this is also picture of a magic lamp. Hope you all understand about the question answers of genie whom no one liked. Just do it in your notebook. Thank you.